Right, this is just a quick video to demonstrate how to use a Lensatic Compass or military compass. You can get a really accurate magnetic bearing with these things, and all you do is fold down the thumb loop, fold up the sighting wire housing, fold up to 90 degrees, sorry I should say, and the sighting lens roughly 45 degrees, but you may have to adjust that slightly. Now then, you've got a location ahead that you want to walk to, or you want to find the bearing of. There's a few ways you can hold these things, but what I do is I put my right thumb through the thumb loop, and then I cup it with my left hand. Hold it as level as you can, and you look through the sighting lens, and at the same time you line up the location you want to walk to. You line that up with the sighting wire and the slot, you can see that there, on top of the sighting lens. When you've got all them three lined up, what you do is then you look through the lens and you'll be able to see the index line, which you can see it green there. Then you'll be able to read off the compass dial, you'll be able to read the bearing, and that'll give you a really accurate bearing of that object or location that you've just sighted. Now then, if you've already got a bearing that you want to walk on, say a bearing of 220 for instance, you want to walk on that bearing, do the same again. Hold the compass set up like that, as level as you can. You look through the sighting lens so that you can see the index line and the compass dial, and then you just turn as you're holding it, as you're looking through. You turn the compass until 220 on the compass dial is in line with the index line. Then what you do is you look through the two, as we said before, you've got the slot and the sighting wire. You line that up with an object in the distance on the bearing of 220, we'll say a tree. Close your compass, walk to that tree. When you've reached the tree, get your compass out again, do exactly the same thing, make a few adjustments till you got 220 on the compass dial is in line with the index line. Pick another object, could be another tree, could be a boulder, anything. Put your compass away, walk to that location, we'll say a boulder. When you reach the boulder, do exactly the same again, and just repeat that until you reach your destination, and you'll be walking on a bearing of 220. So that's it. It's just the basics of how to use a Lensatic compass. Like I say, extremely accurate for getting a magnetic bearing.